I got the Beautylish Extra Large Lucky Bag. So if you want to see if this year is a hit or a miss, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out next to me. You can kind of see him right back there. And Chloe is studying for midterms, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So last year I said, I'm not going to do it this year. But then I said, well, this was a bad year. Maybe next year will be a good year. And I kind of psyched myself into purchasing the extra large Lucky Bag, and I have seen some people open them. I think we've got another dud year on our hands. So I'm going into this with very low expectations. I am hoping that they're raised a little bit. I will tell you this is extremely light. Now, last year I did get both this and the Jeffree Star one. I was very disappointed with both. I did not get the Jeffree Star one this year. I've never gotten the Wayne Goss one because I just feel like everything is neutral. It's the same thing every year. So I didn't get that one. I don't even know if I saw that it was available. I just went on, boom, picked it up and said, I'll deal with my regret later. I have had... Now, I had no issues having them both sent to the same address. And I heard people talk about if you want two, you have to have them sent to different addresses. I did not find that to be the case last year. I just had to use two different email addresses. So if you are into possible buyer's regret, next year, if you want multiple ones, I guess use multiple email addresses. That's how I got around it. I have seen some people open up the $75 one, and that one almost seems better. So who knows, maybe next year I'll do that one. All right, so we have the lovely paper with the tag. It tells us our box was packed by Janet in San Francisco. And for 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope that surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. So if you see on here, they have the horseshoe, the fortune cookie, the magic 8-ball, things like that. Okay, here's my package. Here we go. There is no large palette. Spoiler alert. No extra large palette in here. Mini palette and a regular size palette. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see. But we're just going to pull in. First off, from U Beauty is the Plasma Lip Compound, and I do really like this product. So this to me is a win. We're going to put this in the win. This is going to be in the shade Cassius. This looks to be this plum type color, but it is more of a balm. So it's a light color. Now, U Beauty is also a very expensive brand. I think this might retail for $60. I'll, of course, have looked it up and put it up there for you, but I recall this being a pricey product from when I got it in the advent calendars. It has a metal applicator. So you can see, you almost can't see a color at all. You can see it looks like it's going to be dark, but all right, there we go. I had to get a little out. But rub that in. There we go. That's what we're looking at. So not much of a color, but just exactly what I like for every day. I love this product. So big win right there. Next, by Grown Alchemist, we have the Skin Defense Primer. I've gotten this product a lot of times in the past. I don't know that I've ever actually used it because, to be fair, I don't really use a primer that often. There we go. So it's a nice product, but I use a moisturizer, and you can kind of sub in a moisturizer for a primer. So other than the velvety ones, which I really like the Benefit Professional, I don't tend to use regular primers, just the ones that are more pore blending, so those velvety ones. But it's a nice product, so I'm going to still count this as a win, even though it's not something I'm going to use. All right, by Oribe or Orbe, I have the Serene Scalp Soothing Leave-In Treatment. Now, I do like this brand, and I have seen people get like the ones for flaky dry scalp, which is not an issue I have, so I was really hoping not to get that one. This says, oh no, this is for flaky scalp, so this is a lightweight and fast absorbing leave-on treatment that removes loose dandruff flakes while cooling mint and calming chamomile soothe and balance the scalp. And that's all I see on there. I have seen a variety of different things get open from this brand, so I was really hoping for something that would be really useful for me because I do like this brand quite a bit, and it's a pricey brand. My daughter can use it. I don't really have that issue, so I will pass that on. By Slip, we have the Pure Silk Skinnies. So I haven't seen anybody open up these. I don't know. I got them last year. I mean, I use them, so it's kind of a win. From RMS Beauty. Now, I love RMS Beauty. We have the Living Luminizer, and there is not a shade on here. So it's kind of a white-ish shade. It's a balm. I do like a balm. So I put it right there. You can kind of see it. Okay, that's a win. I think anything from RMS Beauty is usually a win in my book. Next, by Natasha Denona, we have the My Dream Palette Mini. So it is a neutrals palette. I might have this, so I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put, okay. I'm going to just put it away. It is a nice product though. I would say if I didn't already have this, it would be a win. Next, from Danessa Myrick, is her Groundwork Blooming Romance. Okay, now I saw a lot of people open the neutrals one, which I have and have honestly never used. So this was not something I've seen opened. So we do have a lot of neutrals, but there are some pinks and purples and peaches in there. All matte. This is an all matte palette, which is a little disappointing considering it's Danessa Myrick, and you know, those light work palettes were amazing. I will also say this is an older palette. I know I have seen this before, not necessarily in any of the recent Beautylish, but in previous Beautylish, as well as in Ipsy. I think Ipsy offered this at one point. But it is a nice product. It is a full price product. If you like shimmers like I do, you're going to want to use some of those single shimmers to add to it. And I just dropped it. Then I have a brush. This is one of the Sonia G brushes. So it's an eye brush here. Very nicely made, nice line of brushes. I know they're very pricey too. And then last, by Good Molecules, is their Snow Glow Minis set. And I know everybody got some sort of set. I don't know if it's all the same. I feel like some people got one with eye masks, but I could be wrong. This has a hyaluronic serum, a discoloration correcting serum, a niacinamide serum, and a lightweight moisturizer. And there we go. So it's a nice little travel set if you travel at all. I don't really travel too much, but who knows? So I'm going to set them aside in case I do. I am planning another trip back to Salem, Mass in the summertime. So I could kind of set this aside for that. All right, so what did you guys think? It wasn't terrible. I'm going to say it wasn't terrible. Was it the best one? Definitely wasn't the best one I ever got. But I'm not, I guess I came into this with low expectations. So last year I went into it with the expectations of getting the Danessa Myricks Lightworks 5 palette the year before and thinking like, okay, wow, this is going to be amazing. And of course it was not. And actually, to add insult to injury, many people who got the $75 got the same exact thing as me. And when I reached out to them and I said, I've watched all these unboxings and these people got the same exact thing I did and I paid $150, and they were like, oh, that was on us. We sent some people the wrong one, so they got a bonus. And I was like, oh. So kind of really rubbed some salt into the wound there, like, because I had people commenting like, go check out these videos because you got robbed. You got the wrong box. They sent you the $75 one. And no, in fact, no, what did you get? Oh no, we sent you the right one. Yeah, we just sucked this year. So I guess coming off of that kind of disappointment from last year and seeing some other things opened up this year, I'm actually happy. I'm not mad about it. There are 2 products that I just can't use. They're just not for my skin or hair type, or not things that I typically use every day, like the primer and again the Oribe Serene Scalp. I'll probably try it anyway though. I mean, even without dandruff, I'm sure it's got to do something, right? But the palette, not my favorite. I'm not a neutrals gal. I'm definitely not a matte gal. But I will probably try that Danessa Myricks one anyway, or set it aside as a gift or giveaway. I'm not really sure. But it's a nice palette. It's just not what I would be excited to receive, I guess. But overall, again, I am saying that this was not terrible. I think it was kind of middle of the road. I think they've done better. I think they've done worse. So I'm okay with this one. But let me know your thoughts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Scale of 0 to 8, with 0 being I would want none of these items, to 8 being I would love all 8 of these items. Give it a rating. Let me know your thoughts. All right, well, thank you so much. That's all I have for now, but please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.